Where milk? No. Where is the milk? Today we're learning supermarket English. Hello everyone. Today we will learn useful English phrases for the supermarket. These are simple phrases you can use in real life. Repeat. Where is the milk? Again. Where is the milk? How much is this? Repeat. How much is this? Do you have bread? Repeat. Do you have bread? I'd like this, please. Repeat. I'd like this, please. Where is the milk? Over there. Repeat. Where is the milk? Over there. Good job. How much is this? $5. Repeat. How much is this? $5. Do you have bread? Yes, we do. Repeat after me. Do you have bread? Yes, we do. Good job. Can I pay by card? Repeat. Can I pay by card? Well done. Here is your receipt. Repeat. Here is your receipt. Well done. How much is this? $3. Let's repeat together. How much is this? $3. Can I pay by card? Of course. Let's repeat. Can I pay by card? Of course. Well done. Don't forget is. We say, where is the milk? Repeat. Where is the milk? Now answer. What do you buy at the supermarket? For example, I buy milk and bread. You're doing very well. Let's continue. I'm just looking. Thanks. Repeat after me. I'm just looking. Thanks. This means I don't need help right now. Excuse me, do you have this in a different size? Repeat. Do you have this in a different size? Well done. Where can I find the water? Repeat. Where can I find the water? Well done. Repeat all the words. Milk, bread, water, apple, apple, egg, egg, lipstick, lipstick. Well done. Now, what do you buy? I buy milk and eggs. Complete the sentence. I'd like apples, please. I'd like bread, please. I'd like milk, please. I'd like water, please. Excellent job. Now let's repeat the phrases one more time. Where is the milk? How much is this? Can I pay by card? I'm just looking, thanks. Great work today! Now you can use English at the supermarket more confidently. Thanks for learning with me today. Keep building your English skills. More lessons are coming soon. Remember, small steps, big progress. See you in the next real life English lesson. Bye!